Welcome, you extraness. We are here to spice up your life. We do everything twice as nice, twice as extra. So hit, smack, or click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that damn bell. Hi guys, it's me here, Blia. Welcome back to our channel. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm also known as Nha Chanong. Today I'm so excited to film this video for you guys because I get to show you guys my SHEIN haul. I've been waiting for this packet for a while now, and I'm just so excited to show you guys what I got. If you guys don't know what SHEIN is, it is an online boutique based in China. It has a lot of affordable clothing. And just a little disclaimer here, they did not promote me or sponsor me to review any of these clothing items. These are all of my honest opinion, and I'm just super excited to show you guys. So if you guys are interested in my SHEIN haul, go ahead and stay tuned. So first and foremost, get your Lysol, okay? I know that Rona is out there, so this is the packaging. I already Lysoled it yesterday, but just to be extra careful, you just never know, right? What I'm gonna do first is grab my handy dandy scissors, because this package is pretty hard to open. Yeah, I don't know. Just be careful not to cut any of your clothing, because that would be super sad. This haul cost me about $100 something. I will link all of the clothing descriptions below so that you guys can get it if you guys are interested, okay? So let's see. Okay, so this first item is a bodysuit. I absolutely love how they package their items, just because I like reusing these bags, especially when I go on trips. I'm about to be high as fuck. Okay. So this first one is a bodysuit. Okay, if you can see these beautiful scallops here, look at this. So adorable. I'm not going to do a try on haul today. Probably maybe when I have some time next week. So hopefully you guys subscribe and ring that bell so you guys know. SHEIN's clothing is a little bit smaller, so I did get this in a size large. I'll see how it fits, but it looks promising. It looks really adorable. It is a halter style bodysuit with the scallops. All right, on to the next item. I did buy a lot of like bodysuit kind of tops, so bear with me. All right, the next one, another bodysuit. So same kind of deal. It is in the color black, just because I do like to stay in like neutral, you know, black colors. Ooh, I love this fabric. It is very thick, like me. It is a, I guess you can say, kind of like a crew neck style here. I really love this material. It is very thick, and it's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just very comfy. So I'm super stoked. I can't wait to try this one on. It is another bodysuit. I've been really obsessed with bodysuits lately, and it just makes the outfit look so clean when you don't have like anything sticking out. So I'm super excited to wear this. It's just very, you know, basic. On to the next item. Let's see. I guess these are pants. I don't know. Can't really tell by the writing on this one. All right. So if you guys know me, I am super obsessed with these paper bag pants. They're just like my new style that I'm like absolutely in love with. And so this one, the fabric is kind of like silky. It's not too bad. It comes with these adorable buttons. And let's check out the zipper. I'm like really anal about my zippers. Let's see. I guess it's all right. You know, does its job. And so, I mean, they look awesome. They kind of look like the one I got from Amazon. But hopefully they're not too long, because homegirl here is a shorty, okay? But yeah, I can't wait to try these on for you guys. It comes with a belt, and it comes with some extra buttons. Oh shoot. Just in case, you know, the other one pops off or you lose it somehow. And then it comes with this kind of silk-like belt to tie around your waist. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I've been really into gold chains lately. And so I saw this one. It looks kind of silly right now, but can't really see it. Let me see. Maybe if I open it and show you guys without the plastic. Dude, that's bright, man. Sorry, y'all. Let me... There you go. Look at this detail. I am super ecstatic to try this on for you guys. All right. I love all their jewelry. It just looks amazing. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. The detail on this is just amazing. You guys can't really see, but I will link the description below. And I believe this necklace was only like $3. Something like that. I don't remember. How exciting. I can't wait to wear this. I got some nip pads because sometimes, you know, homegirl here just want to wear nip pads. And so they're really awesome to do, or not to do, they're really awesome to use when you have like a strapless dress or even like a top like this, and you just want to cover your nips. You know, way to go. And it was super affordable, so. All right, my next. All right, so this one is a little see-through, so definitely the nip pads are gonna come in handy. It's super adorable though. I can't wait to style it and show you guys my next try on. Oh my god, this is another bodysuit. Oh my god, the fabric on this is amazing as well. Super excited. It's like super stretchy. It's a turtleneck. Look at this. It is amazing. The quality of this is amazing. I'm probably gonna like wear this and abuse this because it just feels so awesome. I think this is my favorite one so far. It just feels so breathable. I don't know if that's a word to describe clothing, but it seems like I can just breathe in it. actually super, super excited for this one. And you guessed it, it is another bodysuit. I am so excited. This one I saw and I'm like, I love the patterns. I love the designs. Comes with extra buttons. Man, I have a collection now. OMG. The fabric is a little different. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks a little different from the picture. I thought it was gonna be more of like a velvety fabric, but I guess I didn't read the fabric description. I mean, it's still adorable. Look at this detail. OMG. It has a puffy shoulder, which I've been super obsessed with. Look at this. And you know, it's another bodysuit, of course. It's a little long. I mean, my torso is not that long. I got most of these in size large. I wouldn't say most. I got all of them in size large, actually. But it's a little long. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. It's like my whole height. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This one is another chain necklace. Super simple, but it comes with a heart. It feels super cheap. Yeah, I was really excited, and then I kind of felt the quality. It feels a little cheap, but it's okay. It's a locket, so you can put your picture inside, my picture inside. Super cute. It has the words "I love you" on there. Look at that. Ooh, I cannot wait. I mean, this quarantine got me shopping. I mean, I don't know when I'll have time to, you know, go out and wear these outfits. But that was cute. All right, so I've been waiting for this blazer. This one is super adorable. It comes with padding on the shoulder, which I absolutely love. And then the elbow has like what you call scrunched up style. And so I just cannot wait to show you guys these outfits that I'm going to pair up with. They're probably gonna look like my other outfits just because I have kind of like the same fashion sense. I don't really change my fashion style, but this is absolutely worth it. The quality of it, I would say the inside, the lining is kind of awkward or kind of weird, kind of thin, but the outside, it's bomb. Like you can just tell that they took time in making this one. I'm just so excited to wear it. I've been obsessed with blazers since I was a kid, so. All right. Let's see. I think this is my final one. This is another paper bag style pants. Like I said, I've been obsessed with these. They just accentuate my body, you know, and my little booty. This is a nude color one. Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much already. I just want to put this on. It comes with pockets. You cannot go wrong with pockets. I love it. I think I love this one more than the black one that I got. It is a little thin. The fabric is not as thick as I normally would buy you know, my pants, but I cannot wait to wear this. And then of course it comes with another belt to tie it on. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to do a try on haul for you guys. Probably, like I said, next week. Anything else? Nope. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of my haul from SHEIN. I know that some of my descriptions or some of my revealing of the clothing was a little fast, and so I am going to link all of the clothing that I have in the description box below. You guys are more than welcome to review it and to see if they are your guys' style. So up next is going to be my Sephora haul. I just Lysoled it, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. In all honesty, I don't even remember what I bought, but I'm just super excited to unbox it with you guys. I must have bought a lot of stuff. I don't know, there's 2 packages. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I did, but who knows. Oh yes, dude, TikTok made me buy this. This is the Ordinary BH something peeling solution. I was gonna buy this off of Amazon, but Amazon was trying to charge me $20. I was like, So I Googled it, and Ulta and Sephora had it for an amazing price. This was only $8. So this is how it looks. It looks a little crepey, but I cannot wait to show you guys on how to use it. So I actually bought 2. One of them is for my little sisters. I can't wait to drop it off and give it to them. I totally forgot, and so now I have to do a little drop off. The next item that I got, it is by Olehendriksen. I don't know. It is the Truth in Transform. These are so adorable. There are 3 little wanderers. They are for age defying. You can use it in the AM and PM for your facial routine. I cannot wait to use them. I do have some of Olay's other stuff, or other stuff, whatever you call it, facial stuff, and I absolutely love it. So when I saw that this was on sale, I was like, bam, gotta try it. Oh yes, okay, awesome. I have been waiting for this setting spray to use, because I'm almost out of my Tatcha one. I do love the Tatcha one, but it's like 50 bucks, homegirl. So this one was on sale for just $25, and I read the reviews and it was just awesome. So I'm like, hey, why not try it out? It comes with a little traveler size one as well, so I'm super ecstatic to use this. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today. I'm so excited that you guys got to see all of my items from SHEIN as well as my items from Sephora. I cannot wait to do a try on haul for you guys, as well as an updated, makeup removal routine, as well as my facial routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you guys never miss a video with us, all right? And as always, don't forget, stay extra.